Hey guys, good morning. It's Tony. Currently, I'm running down the street. So I just want to make this video. BTC officially breaks macro trend. I think we're headed back towards that 43K level. I think that magic number to break is 42,399. I think if we break this high right here, I think we're going straight to 43K. And I can officially confirm the bull market is back on. But you guys already know, I've already been bullish for the last month. If we actually, do this, clear settings, technically, February 28th, the week of, so probably early March, that was a perfect entry to get in under the new clear settings that we've been watching with all the Patreon members. But the really funny thing here is that total, which is the actual full market cap of everything, actually closed a full bullish week this past Sunday. Perfect entry would have been right here at a $1.68 trillion market cap, and you would have been, already in profit a pretty decent amount, right? So under the clear settings for the weekly, especially for this works really well for the total market cap, total 2, total 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum, basically any like I'd say top 10 crypto, combined with like the total market cap tickers. I think entries are really, really, really solid on the new clear settings that we've been testing over at the Patreon. And, perfect entry would have literally been right here on this yellow candle on the bottom end, actually 1.63. So you would have gotten right at the bottom on the new clear settings, and you're actually popping, you're breaking that trend to the upside. Look at that, right? Full break to the upside. So as of right now, I do think we're headed overall to a $2 trillion market cap. After that, I think the next step is obviously 2.5, because that's how, all these ranges end up working really well. But I think from here, we're basically just going to the upside. I think if we end up closing, this next week extremely bullish like this, you guys can see right here, right? We actually made a huge pop of like from 8.948 billion to a 132 billion dollar volume, which is pretty insane. So from here on, I do think that this is the start of the bull market, dependent on tomorrow how we close. I'm like 99% sure we're gonna close bullish on the week for Bitcoin and for the total market cap of crypto. So yeah, I think I'm officially confirming the bull market is gonna start. And I think once we actually close, the month, fully bullish, which would probably be somewhere maybe at the end of May, June-ish, we might see a full, bull month close. After that happens, I do think we're going on a 12, 13 month bull rally. So yeah, this is me. I'm saying I'm basically saying this is the bottom of crypto. And after that month closes bullish on the monthly here, we'll go into Bitcoin. Yeah, look at that. I'd say possibility of us closing a month bullish during May is extremely high right now, especially if we keep this movement to the upside. But after we close that month bullish, I think we're going on a full 12, 13 month rally, possibly breaking 69K. And I do think 100K is possible, regardless of what everybody else is saying. As of right now, my price target for Bitcoin in the next, this year, somewhere between 70 and 80K. My original target for Bitcoin is around 84K. But I think that after we close that month bullish, between now and next year, I think there's like a 90% chance we do 100K Bitcoin sometime within that 12, 13 month bull rally. So yeah, as of right now, I am, I know a lot of people have telling me like, oh, how are you still bullish? How are you still bullish? TA is just telling me, right? It's not really anything else. From right here, I do see this as being as the bottom of the bull rally. And I think if there was any good time to get in, I think it's going to be now, right? And if I'm wrong, then I'm wrong, right? I personally think that this is just the beginning, and I think we're at the bottom right now. And I think that us hitting 70, 80K, high probability. Us hitting 100K if we close a bullish month in the next 2-3 months, I think is an extremely high probability of Bitcoin hitting $100,000 within the next year or so. And you know, if I'm wrong, yes, and come back to this video and tell me that I'm wrong. I don't think I'm wrong, right? I think this is the start of the bull market, and if anything, people should now start accumulating as much as they possibly can. Again, it's your money, do whatever you want. If I was more liquid, you know, I would definitely get more funds of everything. But I think as of right now, you know, I think as of right now, look at that. See, I think it's going to have another push right now. But I think as of right now, all my strong holdings, my rewards are possibly going to be cashed into more crypto. We'll see where strong is at in the next couple of, like month or two. But for now, I'm accumulating. And then after that month closes bullish on Bitcoin, I think we're going to see that year rally. I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.